This tutorial will demonstrate how to use Communalytic's built-in network visualization feature when working with datasets from CrowdTangle, which are Facebook or Instagram public posts. In particular, we will explore the available features to visualize your dataset as an interactive network visualization inside your browser without installing a specialized program. To collect data from CrowdTangle, enter a specific URL, which can be a link to a news article or a popular blog post. In this tutorial, as an example, we will collect public Facebook posts that shared a link to one of the pages on the Ryerson University's website between January 1 and May 18, 2021. Ryerson University is a public research Canadian university located in downtown Toronto. Once the data has been collected and the toxicity analysis has been completed, if you should choose to do it, you're ready to generate the network. Click on the star-shaped icon under the Network Analysis column on the My Datasets page. To generate a network, click the Generate Network button on your screen. After this is completed, you will use the Network Visualization tool to analyze and understand the different properties of the network to answer any questions you might have. Unlike other data sources available in Communalytic such as Twitter or Reddit, information about who replies to whom is not provided by the CrowdTangle API. As a result, you will not be able to create a communication network with CrowdTangle data. However, Communalytic can create another type of network commonly referred to as a two-mode semantic network. As the name suggests, a two-mode semantic network is a graph that describes connections between two types of nodes, where one of the node types represents social actors and the other node types represents semantic concepts. A connection from social actor to semantic concept in this network usually implies some form of endorsement, association, or affiliation between the two nodes. You will receive an email once the network has been generated. You can also watch the progress bar, which automatically refreshes every 30 seconds. Once the network has been generated, navigate to the network analysis by clicking on Visualize Network. In this visualization, Facebook groups or pages that posted at least one message in the dataset, also known as actor nodes, are displayed as circles with different colors. In our case, examples of actor nodes are Ryerson University Career and Co-op Center, Ryerson School of Journalism, and Rich Canada Inc. Named entities mentioned in the posts, also known as semantic nodes, are represented here as star-shaped black color nodes. Here, there are a number of semantic nodes referring to Ryerson University faculties, students' clubs, and other affiliated organizations. Because of the nature of this network, connections are going from actor nodes to semantic nodes only. On the right-hand side of the browser, you will find the control panel to filter and adjust different components of the network visualization, which will allow you to better understand the context of link sharing behavior by Facebook accounts in the dataset. The first section in the panel is called Network Properties. It reports the number of actor nodes, semantic nodes, and edges which are present in the network. For example, here there are 150 actor nodes connected to 816 semantic nodes by 1245 connections. To view all named entities mentioned in links shared by a specific Facebook page or group, click on the desired actor type node, color circle. For example, we can click on the Science Literacy Week node, which represents a Facebook page that describes itself as a Canada-wide week-long event that celebrates science-based activities and highlights our outstanding scientists and science communicators from coast to coast. By examining the semantic nodes, black-shaped figures, that Science Literacy Week is connected to, we can see that this page promoted a number of relevant events hosted by Ryerson University, including Science Rendezvous 2021, which offered virtual science activities on May 8 and the 2021 Soapbox Science Toronto event on May 31 and June 1. When selecting a node in the visualization, we can also see all posts where the named entities linked to the selected actor node appear. For example, in the case of the Science Literacy Week Facebook page, we can see that it is linked to 13 different named entities, listed under the Posts tab in the control panel. To view how the selected post is displayed on the platform like Facebook, where it was originally shared, if the post is still available, click on the blue arrow located beside the post, which will open a new window with the post as the platform presents it. To unselect a previously chosen node, click anywhere on the white space. To go back to the unselected node, a box in the control panel under the Posts tab will appear, and clicking on this will bring you back to displaying only nodes directly linked to the previously selected node. While scrolling through the posts from and to the selected node, you might want to identify where an edge corresponding to a particular post is located in the network visualization. To do that, click on any post inside the left-hand side of the control panel, under the Posts tab, and the corresponding edge will be bolded and highlighted using the orange color in the main network visualization.